Hello friends, right now I'm going to pluck some carrots and teach you how to harvest them. So let's see if we can find any good carrots around. This looks like a nice one. We could see part of it right here.
Yeah, that's huge. Yeah.
So let's pluck. Yeah. Whoa, look at
Cool.
it. So let's put it in our pile of carrots right there. And let's search for another. Here's one. Here it is. I just found a few more. Look at these. So I'm going to try. Here's a little one. How about we start looking for long ones so we can harvest more.
So we planted them.
Eee.
We planted them in early summer. I literally had it transplanted like multiple times. This was one of the new beds that we created. So I just wanted to, as and when I got space, I tried transplanting them. Typically it's being said that once you transplant carrots it doesn't grow, but that's not at all true. I did get really huge ones. We did break this, but we got really huge ones from these vegetable beds, and I literally haven't used any kind of it's all natural, the composting, the compost mixture that I make at home. So this includes the layer of grass cuttings, including the vegetable waste, the compost we get, all the vegetable waste from our home. So this really comes out pretty neat. This is just one part of my the last piece. I mean, it's currently we are in October. I am letting them grow as much as I want, and as and when I need more, I can just come here and pluck them. So kids had a lot of fun harvesting them, even though they don't typically prefer to eat those. But that's a different story. I do love to see this. The fresh cut carrots do have an amazing aroma and taste around it. So when I make soup, I do put these leaves in, but if you see, it's not really bad produce. I have like tons and tons of wherever I have space, I just put them in, and it really came out pretty well. And all my friends also had I was able to share with my friends, and still a lot left, and I'm planning to pickle them now. So if you got any questions around how to grow carrots, let me know.